Hi, I'm Quincy from the Teaching and Learning Center. In this Canvas in 5 tutorial, I've got 5 minutes and 5 minutes only to show you how to turn the Canvas calendar into one of the most useful tools in your teaching toolkit. Let's get into it, shall we? Today we're diving into one of Canvas's most overlooked features, the Canvas calendar. It's not just a date book, it's a communication hub. Used well, it sets clear expectations, cuts down on inbox clutter, and gives students one reliable place to stay organized. To find it, click Calendar in the Global Navigation menu. This is your calendar dashboard, a visual layout of everything happening in your courses from assignments to office hours. And yes, students see it the same way. That's what makes it one of the most student-friendly tools in Canvas. At the top, you can switch between week, month, and agenda views. On the top left, you can use the arrows to scroll forward or back between dates. The agenda view gives you a clean, scrollable list of upcoming tasks. And over on the right, you can toggle between different course calendars on or off. This feature is especially helpful if you're teaching more than one course. To add something to the calendar, simply click on any date. Choose Event to place a non-graded item on the course calendar like a reminder, Zoom link, or an announcement for students to see. Choose an assignment to create a graded item like a quiz, exam, or discussion. But if you create an assignment from the calendar, remember that Canvas saves it only as a draft. You'll still need to open it either from the calendar or the assignments page to add instructions, points, or due dates. You can add My To-Dos for tasks you wish to get done on your calendar too. These are personal reminders just for you. They can be tied to a course, but students will never see them. So think of them as your own private checklist. You can use the appointment group option to set up your office hours for your students as well. You can use the plus sign in the top right-hand corner to add these same options. But here's a power move. Drag and drop. When you move an assignment on the calendar, Canvas automatically updates the due date in your assignments list, gradebook, and Canvas syllabus page. A couple quick notes. If you uploaded your syllabus as a PDF, those dates won't sync. Only the built-in syllabus page updates automatically. And while calendar invites are great reminders, they won't show up in modules or in the gradebook. If you want students to find an event inside a module, you'll need to add it there separately. But you need to change details of something you just added? Watch this. And done. Quick and easy, right? So now let's take a look at what students might see. To do so, click any of your courses from the Canvas dashboard. Find the button in the top right-hand corner to view as a student. And from here, click on Calendar from the left-hand Global Navigation menu. To view their perspective, you can see here the calendar automatically shows due dates for graded items such as assignments, quizzes, and discussions. Keeping your calendar updated directly supports students' time management and helps them stay on track. So that's the Canvas calendar. Not just dates, increased clarity and less stress for everyone. Next time students ask, what's due and when, you'll know exactly where to point them. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the TLC Learning channel. I hope you'll also consider joining us for our upcoming TLC Tech Time, where we'll go deeper into the Canvas calendar. Until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.